Let's take your online presence from zero to hero. I'm going to show you how to build a professional musician website in under a minute using TuneHere.Page. A stunning automated site that's ready for your fans. Let's get started. First, head over to TuneHere.Page and click the Create My Page button. You'll just need to enter your email and your Spotify artist link. If you don't have your link handy, just open the Spotify app, go to your artist profile, and copy the link from the Share menu. Paste it back here. Now, click Start Onboarding. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. It will contain an activation link. Just tap that to verify your account. Once you're in, you'll see the Welcome page, where you can choose to visit your new site immediately or start customizing it. Let's take a look at the site first. What you see here was generated automatically, directly from your Spotify profile. Out of the box, it's already a great starting point, but we can make it even better with a few small tweaks in the admin panel. First things first, let's set a secure password for your login so you can come back and edit anytime. Once that's done, we can jump back into the editor. In the editor, you'll see all the different sections of your page. You can use the eye icon to instantly toggle sections or specific text on and off. This makes it incredibly easy to hide what you don't need without deleting it. You can simply drag and drop the sections to reorder them. The first thing you'll likely want to update is your artist description or subtitle. Every time you make a change, hit Save and then Preview to see it in action. Don't worry about making mistakes. Your actual public website stays exactly the same until you hit Publish. Think of this as your personal trial screen where you can experiment freely. The next essential step is linking your socials. Head to the Settings section and add your handles for Instagram, TikTok, and X. You can also add links for your Bandcamp and SoundCloud artist pages. Save your changes and you're done. To display your socials in the header section, simply activate this box. I'll also make the Listen Now call to action button invisible. Now, let's switch to design mode. This is where the magic happens. You can change the look of each section individually by using the arrow buttons to cycle through different layout variations. Keep tweaking until the vibe feels just right for your brand. You can also change the color themes for each section. Tap the colorful button to switch to color edit mode and cycle through the theme colors. Use the arrow buttons to cycle through the theme colors for the main visual elements like background and text. A quick tip: we see the main theme colors here, but cycling through them always begins with black and 3 dark gray tones and concludes with 3 light gray tones transitioning to white. Let's hit Publish to make all these changes live. If we refresh the Public tab, you can see the updated version is now live and looks identical to our preview. This is your main setup completed with just a few simple changes. Now, when fans click those social icons on your page, they'll be taken directly to your profiles. You've officially gone from zero to hero. In the next video, we're going to explore some of the more advanced modules, like pre-save countdowns, automated new release section, and setting up your own custom domain name to use your website like a pro. See you there!